ass look.
He doesn't like the balloons when they're up.
I don't know. Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God. There's you coming. Oh, my God. Where's the catnip?
Finally found something to keep my cat off the counter.
You good?
Analyzing content. So like what happens is, for example,
Excuse me? Excuse me?
Pull the lever, Gronk.
Are you hungry?
Oh, my God.
You're under arrest. Put your hands up.
Bro, Michael.
Removes the hair wrap while I clean.
Ah, you got it. You got it.
My God, psycho.
His ears.
Nothing there. What's wrong?
Vậy bạn ơi.
It's not that serious.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto. Кто натворил? Вот это кто натворил?
Does anyone have any advice? Let it go. Let it
Go. MJ.
Come here, buddy.
Krieger. Why are you so bad?
Опа-на. Ты чё боишься?
Ow! Ow!
Oh shit.
Yeah. Oh, awesome.
Meow.
With the ears. Wee man.
Let's see a handstand. Damn straight.
Hi.
Yo, oh.
It's gonna be hard. Big man, I need the Xbox on, please.
Ja! Ja, ja!
Hi.
No! Oh my god!
Back to his feet. Is he going to deliver? Sweet.
You know what? It might be hard. 6 months fine. Okay, check it out.
No.
See? It's alright. It's all good.
Gitu tuh foto. Lola.
They're really stupid. They don't know how to catch in the car, and the person goes the.
What? Where did you come from?
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Stop, you're not gonna like it. Stop, you're not gonna like it.
Oh my god! Jojo. Don't all speak at once. Does anybody want a cat? Please.
I'm sorry. I just asked a question.
Like, act like he...
What? No.